Hello there, let's talk about this camera that you can get on Amazon. I consider this a body camera because it's very small and has a clip here that you can stick to your t-shirt or your backpack, for example. I got this for free so I can test and review it. I've been testing for a while. It's very easy to use. I just stick this to my backpack and I press a button here to start recording. I can also press a button to take picture or record audio because there is a mic inside. I can also use a clip to reset the camera, connect to my computer using a USB cable which comes with the camera. And here I can connect to a tripod, for example, okay? Here, as you can see, there is a clip that I use with my backpack. On the other side, you see the button to turn the camera on and also to turn on the Wi-Fi, so you can basically connect to your cell phone. That's why I have a cell phone here with the app, so you can see the camera working with the app. And also the other button here, you can turn on and turn off the LED here for night vision. Let me show here when I press this button, for example, it lights here, and here you can see the LEDs that are working, okay? Those red LEDs here on the top, and when I press again, it turns off. So the camera works at night. You see everything during the night time, okay? Let me just show you some features of the camera here, this box. So basically the camera has infrared night vision, noise canceling system, so works pretty fine with audio. I've been testing this and the audio is very good. There's a clip design. You can clip whatever you want, and you can also record to a SD card, and it comes with an SD card, right? And record audio just pressing a button. So pretty easy to use. There's also the symbol here for the Wi-Fi because it works with Wi-Fi. So basically, if I put the camera here, pointing there, for example, let's say the camera is on my backpack, and I just connect using the Wi-Fi, okay? I already connect the camera to the Wi-Fi, so it's basically working. It's pretty easy to do that. There is a instruction here with the user manual and how to do it. Very easy. You just download your app and you connect to your camera very easily, right? And here, for example, I see the image of the camera already working. So let's say, for example, you have the camera on your t-shirt or your backpack. You just use your cell phone and start recording from there. When I press here, it stops recording. Right now it's recording, then it stops recording, and I have the camera here on my the image here or the video here on my camera files, right? Because I can also take picture here, so I can either have pictures or videos here on my cell phone, right? When I come here to the camera files, I can see everything that's recorded there from today and from yesterday. Let's play something from yesterday, for example, this video here. You see the quality is very good. For a small camera like this, records audio and video. And just play something else. Here's another video. Oh, this is a short one. Let me just play a longer one. There we go. Another video. I can also turn the way and see that was recorded yesterday. I didn't change the date yet. You just need to enter there and change the date. I was just testing it, but that was recorded yesterday, right? And the quality is very good. You can also test, see the video from your computer. Let me just come back here to the main screen, show you a little bit more of the camera settings, and later can show you on a computer. So here on the settings, you can change everything that you want: sound recording, video resolution, exposure, timestamp, video resolution, quality, and anti-shaking, and everything else. Okay, so a lot of options here. Back here to the main screen. You can also just press a button here to start recording everything. If I wanna stop the Wi-Fi option, for example, I just click here and I stop the Wi-Fi. There we go. Let me just get some focus here, guys. There we go. Press once here to start recording. There you see it. It's recording right now. Press again, stops recording. Press once here to take a picture. You see the information here. And also to record audio with the microphone, which is very good, by the way, right? Here for the night vision again. One more time. So pretty easy to operate, okay? Let me just connect this camera to the computer right now so you see how it works there. So basically it comes with the cable. Here we go, the cable, and then I just connect to the camera, like so, that way. And this one I connect to my computer. In this case, I don't have a USB port here, USB-A, so I have a USB-C. I need to use an adapter. So I just connect this adapter here, and I connect to my computer. The way on here on the screen, I'm gonna see a folder popping up. Then I can open and see everything that's recorded there, okay? So I just connect it here, wait for it to connect to my computer. There we go, I have a folder popping up there. Double click on it, and here I have the files, video for example. Then I have everything from today or from yesterday, okay? Pretty easy to see everything here. And I just play a video here, let's say this one for example. We need to use the VLC, so open VLC player. And there we go. This is a video recorded from yesterday. I was in a park and you can hear very clear. So basically the image is very good and the audio, you can hear the birds there. It's also very, very good, very, very clear, okay? So it works pretty fine. I just don't want to play that much here because I can't show that much here. It's a private area there. I was just recording, but this is enough to show you that the quality is very, very good, okay? Then I click here just to close it, and I can just eject from here and start using it again when I remove from my computer, okay? So it's good to go again. So very, very easy to use, so you can use with your cell phone and also with your computer, okay? So that's the camera you can get on Amazon. I like this one and I recommend it.